Imagine stepping into a world filled with vibrant colors, sounds, and scents that are beyond your wildest dreams. As humans, we rely on 5 basic senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. These senses allow us to navigate our environment, enjoy delicious meals, and appreciate the beauty around us. But what if I told you that many animals possess sensory abilities that far surpass our own? In this video, we'll explore the incredible sensory powers of various creatures, from the eagle's extraordinary vision that allows it to spot prey from miles away, to the elephant's remarkable sense of smell that can detect water from several miles away. Get ready to uncover the astonishing ways animals experience the world, and see how their senses compare to ours in this captivating sensory showdown. Human vision is a remarkable feat of evolution, allowing us to perceive a rich tapestry of colors, shapes, and movements in our environment. Our eyes can detect light wavelengths between 380 and 700 nanometers, encompassing the visible spectrum. This ability enables us to navigate our surroundings, recognize faces, and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. However, impressive as our visual capabilities may be, they pale in comparison to some of our animal counterparts. Consider the bald eagle, a bird of prey renowned for its exceptional eyesight. With vision that is 4 to 5 times sharper than human eyesight, these majestic birds can spot a rabbit from over 2 miles away. This extraordinary visual acuity is due to their larger eyes relative to their head size, a higher concentration of cone cells in their retinas, and the ability to see ultraviolet light. Bald eagles can also move their eyes independently, giving them a wider field of view and the ability to track multiple objects simultaneously. While humans struggle to see clearly in low-light conditions, many nocturnal animals have evolved specialized adaptations for night vision. Cats, for instance, possess a reflective layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their ability to see in dim light. Owls have enormous eyes relative to their skull size, allowing them to gather more light and see clearly in near-total darkness. Some nocturnal creatures, like certain species of snakes, can even detect infrared radiation, enabling them to see the heat signatures of warm-blooded prey in complete darkness. The human auditory system is a remarkable feat of evolution, allowing us to perceive a wide range of sounds essential for communication, environmental awareness, and enjoyment of music. The typical human hearing range spans from about 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, with our ears being most sensitive to frequencies between 2,000 and 5,000 Hz. This range enables us to hear everything from the low rumble of thunder to the high-pitched chirping of birds. However, our hearing abilities pale in comparison to some animals that have evolved specialized auditory systems for their unique environments and needs. Moths, for instance, possess an extraordinary ability to detect ultrasonic frequencies far beyond human perception. These nocturnal insects can hear sounds up to 300,000 Hz, allowing them to detect the echolocation calls of predatory bats. This remarkable adaptation serves as an early warning system, enabling moths to perform evasive maneuvers and escape potential predators. Their ultrasonic hearing is a prime example of how evolution has equipped animals with sensory abilities tailored to their survival needs. On the opposite end of the frequency spectrum, elephants have developed the ability to detect and communicate using infrasound sound waves below 20 Hz that are inaudible to humans. These low-frequency vocalizations can travel for miles through the ground, allowing elephants to communicate over vast distances. This adaptation is particularly useful in their natural habitats, where visual communication may be limited by dense vegetation or terrain. Elephants can perceive sounds as low as 16 Hz, with some studies suggesting they may even detect frequencies as low as 7 Hz. Despite common misconceptions, humans possess a highly developed sense of smell, capable of detecting and distinguishing over 1 trillion different odors. Our olfactory system is facilitated by approximately 5 to 6 million olfactory receptors located in 2 small patches high up in the nasal passages. This acute sense allows us to recognize a wide array of scents, from the aroma of freshly baked bread to the subtle fragrance of a blooming flower. Although our olfactory abilities are impressive, they are often overshadowed by the extraordinary smelling capabilities of certain animals. Elephants, for example, have an incredibly advanced sense of smell, boasting around 1,948 olfactory receptor genes, more than any other land animal. This superior olfactory system allows elephants to detect water sources from several miles away and communicate through chemical signals. Their ability to discern such a vast array of scents is crucial for their survival in the wild, where they rely on their sense of smell to find food, identify potential threats, and maintain social bonds within their herds. Eels, particularly the European eel, are another example of animals with remarkable olfactory abilities. These aquatic creatures can detect scents over long distances, even in the vast and often murky waters of the ocean. Eels use their keen sense of smell to locate food, navigate during their long migrations, and find suitable habitats. Their olfactory system is so sensitive that they can detect minute chemical changes in the water, which helps them survive and thrive in their underwater environments. Humans have a sophisticated sense of taste, facilitated by approximately 2,000 to 10,000 taste buds located primarily on the tongue, but also on the roof of the mouth and in the throat. These taste buds allow us to detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Each taste bud contains 50 to 100 taste receptor cells that regenerate every 10 days, ensuring our ability to enjoy a wide variety of flavors throughout our lives. However, as we age, the number of taste buds decreases, which can alter our taste perception. Despite this, our taste system is complex and works in conjunction with our sense of smell to create the rich experience of flavor. In contrast, the Wells catfish possesses an astonishing 250,000 taste buds, covering not only its mouth but also its entire body. This extraordinary number of taste receptors allows the Wells catfish to detect chemical signals in the water, helping it locate food even in murky environments. The catfish's ability to taste with its entire body gives it a significant advantage in its aquatic habitat, where visibility is often limited. This heightened sense of taste is crucial for its survival, enabling it to find prey and avoid predators effectively. Cows also have impressive tasting abilities, with around 25,000 taste buds, significantly more than humans. These taste buds are distributed across their tongue and mouth, allowing cows to discern a wide range of flavors in their diet. This heightened sense of taste helps cows select nutritious and palatable plants while grazing. Their ability to detect subtle differences in taste ensures they consume a balanced diet, which is essential for their health and milk production. Human tactile sensitivity is remarkably acute, allowing us to detect incredibly fine textures and minute changes in surface properties. Our fingertips contain a high density of mechanoreceptors, with about 2,500 receptors per square centimeter. This density enables us to perceive surface variations as small as 13 nanometers in amplitude when actively exploring a surface. Such sensitivity allows humans to distinguish between materials and textures with astonishing precision, from the smoothness of glass to the roughness of sandpaper. Our tactile perception is not uniform across all areas of skin, with fingertips being particularly sensitive. This sensitivity extends beyond just texture recognition. Humans can detect vibrations as small as 0.04 micrometers on their fingertips. Furthermore, our tactile system is capable of integrating information from multiple touch receptors to create a detailed mental image of objects we interact with, allowing for complex tasks like reading Braille or manipulating small tools. While human touch is impressive, the star-nosed mole possesses one of the most sensitive tactile organs in the animal kingdom. This small mammal's distinctive nose consists of 22 fleshy appendages arranged in a star-like pattern, each covered with over 25,000 minute touch receptors called Eimer's organs. This gives the star-nosed mole a total of about 100,000 sensory neurons packed into a nose smaller than a fingertip, making it 6 times more sensitive than human fingertips. While humans have traditionally recognized 5 basic senses, many animals possess extraordinary sensory abilities that go beyond our conventional understanding. These 6 senses allow them to perceive and interact with their environment in ways that seem almost supernatural to us. One intriguing phenomenon is some animals' apparent ability to predict natural disasters. For instance, before the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, witnesses reported seeing elephants fleeing to higher ground and flamingos abandoning their low-lying breeding areas. Scientists believe that these animals may be able to detect subtle environmental changes, such as shifts in air pressure or ground vibrations, that precede major events. While the exact mechanisms are not fully understood, this heightened awareness demonstrates the remarkable sensory capabilities of certain species. Sharks possess an extraordinary electromagnetic sense, allowing them to detect minute electrical fields generated by other organisms. This ability is facilitated by specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which are jelly-filled pores on their snouts. These organs are so sensitive that sharks can detect the faint electrical impulses produced by a fish's muscle contractions from several meters away. This electromagnetic sense not only aids in hunting but also helps sharks navigate using the Earth's magnetic field during long-distance migrations. Birds have evolved an impressive ability to sense changes in air pressure, which plays a crucial role in their navigation and survival. Their unique middle ear structure, particularly the paratympanic organ, allows them to detect even slight variations in atmospheric pressure. This sensitivity enables birds to anticipate approaching storms, find thermal updrafts for efficient flight, and make split-second adjustments during aerial maneuvers. Some species, like pigeons, can even use their pressure-sensing abilities to create mental maps of their surroundings based on subtle altitude-related pressure changes. In summary, the world of sensory perception is far more intricate and fascinating than we often realize. From the extraordinary visual acuity of the bald eagle to the astonishing olfactory prowess of the elephant, animals exhibit sensory abilities that not only surpass our own but also serve crucial roles in their survival and adaptation. We've explored how various creatures, such as the star-nosed mole with its supersensitive touch and the shark with its remarkable electromagnetic sense, navigate their environments in ways that challenge our understanding of perception. Understanding and appreciating these animal sensory abilities is vital for several reasons. It enhances our knowledge of biodiversity and the intricate relationships within ecosystems, reminding us of the importance of conservation efforts. Recognizing the unique adaptations of different species fosters a deeper respect for the natural world and encourages us to protect the habitats that sustain these remarkable creatures. As we wrap up our exploration of sensory perception, we invite you to reflect on the incredible adaptations found in the animal kingdom. The next time you encounter wildlife, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary senses they possess, which allow them to thrive in their environments. Thank you for joining us on this sensory journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating insights into the wonders of the natural world.